Hi there. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can improve scanning feature in Little Company, like boost its range and something like that. So to do this we will need to install a couple of simple mods. We're going to do it manually. If you don't know how to install mods manually, you can just go find a tutorial on it on our channel, check it out, come back and follow these steps. So first we have to open internet browser, then we Google something like Little Company mods, go to the first link, the Thunder store. So here we should search for something like scan. We're going to download two mods, this unlimited scan, and the second one will be this hold button to scan. So you don't have to spam your mouse button, you can just hold it and it scans like unlimited. So we manually download unlimited scan, we manually download hold scan button. Like as you can see, there's a lot of scanning mods on this page, but I believe these ones are the most fair, the ones chill, that doesn't really break the game, only make it work smoother or something like that. So we open these archives, we open Little Company folder. On Steam we right click, then properties, installed files, browse. Then we go in Blepinex folder, in Little Company folder, plugins, and drop the contents of plugins folder from this hold for scan button. So we basically just drop this hold scan button DLL into the Little Company plugins folder, and we drop unlimited radar into this plugins folder too. So now what we have to do is to just start the game. So let's try to host a lobby. And okay, let's try to go to experimentation to show you how this scan works. So as you can see now, I just hold down right click and it scans all the time without me like spamming this key at all. And to demonstrate you how it scans out items now, let's go inside this experimentation one. And as you can see now, I can see like it also scans items in the other rooms too. Like yeah, it sees much more items at once from a bigger range. Like yeah, something like that. Pretty useful. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.